Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is one of my favorite casting in this specific series they released. So as you can see, my wife actually peeled the sticker out. So this is the third in this list. So okay, let's unbox this. I don't want to wait anymore. It's been more than like a week since I bought this. I was really itching to unbox this castings. Come on, come out. Okay. So, okay, here is the card art. I mean, as usual, the card art looks absolutely beautiful. I mean, they did mention this, branding here. That is really cool. I mean, if you are going to cut this piece out and you are going to display it somewhere, it is going to look really nice. Okay. So here is the case. Let me just remove it. Let's just get into the casting now. Because at this point, I hope you guys understood the gist of the case. So I'm not going to waste any more time on showing the case again and again. Okay. Fine. So here is the casting itself. So out of the box, the casting looks really beautiful. I mean, it's just pure white with this BMW logo pinstriping here. So I really love this rear view mirror here. I mean, this is unique to this particular casting. I mean, they really nailed that part. And the interior on this one looks really nice. So I'm really happy they went with this uh, clear windshield instead of tinted ones, so that you can see the interior. It has wiper detailing. The hood detailing looks really nice, and it has acrylic insets for the headlights, as you can see here. Looks really good, and you can see the BMW logo here, and it has acrylic insets for the tail light as well. You can see here 3.0 CSL. Okay, so this is a full metal casting, metal body, metal chassis. So this spoiler here, this piece is actually plastic, that is not metal, and the tires are rubber, the rims are plastic. So the chassis has a little bit of detailing to it. I really love this matte black chassis here. Even though it's metal, they did that. I mean, it is not going to rust that easily, and it looks really cool on literally all the castings. Okay, let me see if it has suspension. Yeah, it does have suspension. They really kept that for this casting. Okay, so you can see the exhaust here looks really good. So it does have all the detailing to it. Perfect. Okay, let's weigh this casting now. 44 grams. Wow. I was expecting somewhere around 40, but not more than that. Man, I really love the detailing on these cars. I mean, you can see that even turn indicator knobs and everything inside. Looks really cool. I personally love this rear view mirror. I mean, that is chromed out and it stands out and looks really beautiful. Okay, let's rate this casting. I mean, you guys might know by right now, there is nothing to even nitpick here. For the price point they are giving, I mean, they are giving something really solid. So this is a solid 10 out of 10 from at least from me. So I just want to know from you and guys, what do you guys think about this entire this premium segment by Majorette? So drop me in the comments. I just want to understand your pulse on this one. What you guys are thinking and how you guys are treating this compared to other initial premium brands like Mini GT or Pop Race in that case. Okay. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.